Alrighty, welcome to another episode of Keep It Reet in USA. Hopefully you can hear me. Grant being loud as usual. We got the BARRAWAGZ and we're here at Thompson Speedway and we are G'd up to get some nice, warm, dry laps before we begin our tour down south. We're ready to go. Looking forward to it. Enjoy the video. Are you ready for some premium drifts today? Let's go. I wish I filmed it when he pulled the trailer. It's like everyone around here was just like, what's that? What's that? What's that? What's that noise? It's funny it being here. It's so stand out. Everyone's like, what the hell is that thing? Dude. How many people just walked up and asked you, hey, what is that? What's that? What is that? Don't want to ask me. Don't want to sound like an idiot. Sound like an old Ford Escort wagon or something. Yeah. We're going to have some fun. Let's go. All right. Good morning, baby. Let's go.
America. Ready to go.
But I've been here for months now.
Well, they don't know that you come over and work on your shit at my house all the time.
Yeah.
Get some laps in with a BARRAWAGZ.
Yeah, boy. Now, being the first event back, this event's run by Lock City, by the way. And there's so many people here, about 100 drivers. Crazy. The full pits is full to the rim. Doesn't really look like it, but it's definitely full. So they got groups, so we'll just go out when there's groups. There's 2 different tracks I think they run, but yeah. G'd up. Ready to rip that ass, boy. Oof. Premium trailer setup. You ready? Ooh. So stoked. Can't wait to get the Vitor tires up on these racks and filter right up, but feels good to have it almost complete setup now. And almost ready to drive around the country. All right, let's get in the car. I've got the GoPro now, so I'll try and hook that up and get some real footage for you this time. Let's do it. All right, ready to go. We've had a few little issues, some like electrical stuff going on. So I've got the guy Seamus here. He's a wizard. He's been diagnosing some stuff, so I'm gonna go out, test it out, straight into it on the, I don't even know this track, I don't know where we're going. So he's directing me as well. We're going on where? The road course? Yeah. Road course? Club course at Thompson Motorsports. All right. All right, so we just did our first laps on the, don't know, what's that track called?
Road course, backwards.
Road course.
I think it's road course, reverse into the oval.
Yeah. This is Mike, by the way, Design Shop React. And he has helped with a lot of stickers and he does merch and you do liveries and everything. So hit him up. That was really cool, really fast. We just blazed the set down in 4th gear. That was good fun. What do you think of the Barra?
It's sick.
Yeah.
It's sick. It sounds great. Feels good.
That's it.
It ticks all the right boxes.
What more could you want?
Yeah, I like it.
All right, so we're just testing out some other tyres against the Vitals. We had the Vital 200, 265 just on, and we dropped them down to, I think they were 18 psi, maybe even down to 15, and I think they were about 20 hot. They're the 300 treadwear actually, and they absolutely hook really good. So, and they lasted ages, especially behind the Barra with all the torque and on a big, fast, blazy layout. I'm surprised they last so well. So that's definitely going to be a good tyre for this trip. And then I've even got 200s to try if I want to get even spicier grip level. So that's a shout out to Vital for sponsoring this trip. Legends. We're going to take some more laps and try and get some tandems going on. We've got obviously Jimmy and Grant here just chilling. So
how's it feel?
how you going, sir?
Car good?
Doing much driving?
What?
You doing much driving?
I was going with Seamus trying to help him get his car straight.
This is Seamus. You didn't see his face before.
You're right.
It feels good. The car feels good.
Yeah?
It's fixed my transient a little bit.
Cool. All right.
Thanks for that.
Yeah. And later on, we'll mess with it a little bit more.
Thank you. How's your car going?
It needs a diff and it needs an angle kit. So,
The factory LSD likes to be like when you in transition, it'll randomly be like psych. You know, like
I've heard they're pretty strong though. Is that right? Yeah.
It's not the worst LSD, but it's old now. It's you know.
just the torsion, without having the decel preload, like it's literally like being on ice in transition. So you gotta be really patient and let it set.
You said you K-swap this?
K swap.
That's it.
Yeah.
So good. It doesn't feel out of place at all.
We'll have to get some tandies at some point. Where are you driving? Alright, the pressure's gonna be on. Alright, this is Adam's first time.
First time ever in a drift car. Guys,
So this is your first experience in a drift car?
first time ever in a drift car.
I'm gonna try out this thing and we'll try and get the reactions.
Alrighty, sounds good.
Let's do it.
Please
don't knock.
Good. Like this. You're planting the seed right now.
That's it.
Not in the
This
weird.
is how I got into it. Like jumping in the car, instantly hooked for life. So
Yep.
I don't take any responsibility for your future actions after being in this car.
Yes. Good stuff. Wow. Oh my god. Dude, what a machine, dude.
Loves it, huh?
I don't have words. Like, it's just nuts. I can't believe it. Like, I've never felt G's like that. I've never felt power like that. Jesus Christ. Wow.
Yeah, boy. Glad you enjoyed.
Dude, thank you so much.
No worries. Let me know what car you buy.
I got you. I got you.
Day done. Pack her up, boys. She's all locked down, ready to get home. Got a couple of tyres on the rack, looking good. Sorry for the lack of updates. I'm jet lagged. I just wanted to get some driving, just enjoy it for a little bit before our big trip starting next week. I've still got a few little things to do, but stoked the trailer and the car's ready to go. And we'll be touring, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you smack that like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.